When your Honeywell gas water heater displays a blinking red light 7 times, this is a specific error code indicating a critical issue with your system. The 7 blinks error code specifically indicates a failure in the gas control valve. This valve is a critical component that regulates the flow of gas to the burner in your water heater. Here we can see the Honeywell gas control valve module. This gray plastic housing contains the electronic controls that manage gas flow, featuring a red temperature knob and pilot ignition button. The 7 blinks error code means your water heater has detected a flame failure during the ignition process. The system is unable to establish or maintain proper combustion. Several key components work together in the ignition process. The gas control valve opens to allow gas flow, the igniter creates a spark, the flame sensor detects combustion, and the thermopile generates power when heated. There are several potential causes for this error code. These include a faulty gas valve, a dirty or malfunctioning flame sensor, gas pressure irregularities, faulty ignition leads, or a compromised combustion chamber. Because Honeywell gas control valves are known to have occasional issues, often linked to improper installation or environmental factors, it's important to address this error code promptly to restore your water heater's functionality. Now we'll walk through the systematic troubleshooting steps to fix the 7 blinks error on your Honeywell water heater. First, perform these essential safety and initial checks. Always turn off both power and gas supply before beginning any work on your water heater. Verify that your main gas valve is fully open and test other gas appliances in your home to confirm you have adequate gas supply. The flame sensor is a critical component that often causes the 7 blinks error when dirty or corroded. Notice the reddish-brown corrosion on the sensor tip. This buildup prevents proper flame detection and must be cleaned thoroughly with fine emery cloth or sandpaper. Some technicians report success with a gas valve reset procedure, though this may only provide a temporary fix. Using the control knob shown here, follow this sequence. Very hot for 15 seconds, then hot for 15 seconds, then pilot for 15 seconds. Repeat this cycle 2 to 3 times. While this procedure has about an 80% success rate, it often provides only temporary relief if the underlying valve problem persists. This diagram shows how a gas valve works. When the internal winding breaks, as shown in red, gas flow stops and the valve must be replaced. You'll know replacement is necessary if the pilot light stays lit but the error code persists, or if reset procedures fail to permanently clear the code. While these troubleshooting steps can resolve some cases, gas valve replacement typically requires professional service for safety and proper installation. A qualified HVAC technician has the proper tools, knowledge, and safety equipment to replace the gas valve and verify your water heater operates safely.